Om Shanti. 5th of July 2020. Avyakt Vani. Avyakt Babdada. Revise 20th February 1986. Godly Versions. Murli title: Benefit for everyone through the flying stage. Benefit for everyone through the flying stage. Today, Bab Dada has specially come to give the double foreign children double congratulations. Firstly, because even though you have gone to faraway lands and into different religions, you recognized the Father more quickly than the many souls living close by in Bharat. Congratulations for recognizing the Father. That is, for attaining your fortune, and secondly, just as you quickly recognized the Father, so you quickly engaged yourselves in service. So, Baba saying that service has been fast and in the future too. Double foreign children have to become instruments for a special task. The original jewels, the special souls who are instruments in Bharat, became a very strong foundation and carrying out the task of establishment. And the double foreign children did the service of quickly spreading the sound in all directions and will continue to do so. This is why Bab Dada is giving all of you children special congratulations for moving forward quickly in service as soon as you came and took birth. In a short time, you have expanded service in many different lands, and this is why the task of spreading the sound is growing easily. By always being double light, you will definitely also always make intense effort to claim your full right to become double crowned. Bab Dada has come specially to meet you. Bab Dada is saying that the drums of happiness are being beaten in everyone's heart. Bab Dada is hearing the music of the children's happiness and their songs of happiness. You are moving forward with deep love for remembrance and service. There is remembrance and also service, but that what further addition has to take place? Both are there, but let there always be a balance of the two. This balance makes you experienced in receiving blessings from the Father for yourselves and for service. You then have a zeal and enthusiasm for service. Now, in further service, when there is a greater balance of remembrance and service, the sound will echo in the world very loudly. You have brought about good expansion. What is done after the expansion? After the expansion, special souls have to be made into instruments for the essence of service, so that those special souls will awaken special souls of Bharat. Now, in Bharat too, according to the time, the methods of serving are improving. Leaders, religious leaders, and also actors are coming into contact. Who else is left? They are coming into contact. Leaders are also coming into contact. But now the thought has to arise specially to bring political leaders into close contact. All of you double foreign children are now going into the flying stage. Are you not? Baba is asking. Are you not? You are not those in the climbing stage. Are you? Do you have the flying stage? When there is the flying stage, it means there is benefit for everyone. When all the children have a constant and stable flying stage, everyone will benefit. That is, the task of transformation will be accomplished. Now, there is the flying stage, but along with that, of making effort to create that stage. When the majority has a constant flying stage, it means that completion is to take place. Now, all of you children know that the flying stage is the elevated stage. The being detached from it. The flying stage is the stage to attain the karmatit stage. The flying stage is the stage of being in the body and yet being detached from it, of loving the Father and service. The flying stage is the stage of a bestower of fortune and a bestower of blessings. The flying stage is the stage that will grant visions of both angels and deities walking and moving around. The flying stage will free all souls from being beggars and give them a right to the Father's inheritance. All souls will experience their special deities and goddess, or whoever are their instrument deities, to have all incarnated on his earth. In the golden age, everyone will be in salvation, but you are the bestower of salvation for all the souls who are present at this time. After a drama has finished, all the actors come on the stage, so now the time for the end of the drama of the cycle is coming. All souls of the world will definitely have a vision, either in their dreams with a glimpse of a second or through the sound of revelation everywhere, that the hero actors of this drama have been revealed on this stage. The stars of the earth have been revealed on the earth. Everyone will be very happy to have attained their specially loved deities. They will receive support. You double foreigners are also specially loved gods and goddesses, are you not? Or is it just those of the golden jubilee? Are you also part of that? Or are you just observers? You saw that scenes of golden jubilee, did you not? It was an entertaining part that was played. However, in the final scenes, will you be those who grant visions or simply observers? Ask yourself, who are you? Who grants visions or simply observers? What will you be? You are hero actors, are you not? Now, let that scene emerge as it is going to be. Become Trikal Darshi now and imagine how beautiful that final scene will be and how beautiful you will be. You will be angel, then deities beautifully decorated images with divine virtues. For that, practice seeing yourself in the stage of your angelic form. Now on and continue to move forward. There are 4 main subjects. To be an image of knowledge, an image of constant remembrance, an image of all divine virtues. If even one virtue is missing, you cannot be called 16 celestial degrees full. There would be all three types of praise. 16 celestial degrees, all virtues and filled with all, full of all virtues, completely viceless, and 16 celestial degrees full. All three specialities are needed. 16 celestial degrees means you have to be full, perfect, and have all virtues. So check this. You were told that this is the year in which you can accumulate for a long period of time. Then the account of a long period will end. And then it would be said for a short time, not for a long time. Now come into the line of effort making over a long period of time. You will then claim a right to attaining the fortune of the kingdom over a long period of time. If there are even two or more claim a right to attaining the fortune of the kingdom over a long period of time, birthless, that would not be counted as a long period of time. Let there be the first birth and the elevated happiness of nature in its prime. Let it be 1, 1, 1. Be one in everything. What will you have to do for that? When you are number 1 in service, your stage is also number 1 and you will then come in 1, 1, 1. Will you not? So, become those who are to play their parts with the number 1 soul at the beginning of the golden age and who play their parts in the number 1 birth. So, you will be the ones to begin the era. Only those who take the first birth will begin with the date of the first day of the first month of the first era. So, you double foreigners will come as number 1. Will you not? Acha. Do you know how to wear an angelic dress? It is a sparkling dress. To have the awareness and to become that form means to wear an angelic dress. Something that sparkles attract from a distance. So, this angelic dress, that is, this angelic form will attract souls who are very away, far away. Acha. Today, it is the turn of the UK. Baba is meeting with double foreigners. So, the turn is of the UK. What is the speciality of the UK? Will you make London the place of your kingdom even in the golden age? Baba is asking. Or will it just be a tourist place? It is the United Kingdom, is it not? Will you make it a kingdom there too? Asking about Satyug. Or will be kings simply go there to visit? Nevertheless, it is still called a kingdom, is it not? So, at this time, it is the kingdom for service anyway. It is an instrumental kingdom for service for all the foreign lands, is it not? The name kingdom is correct, is it not? In every sentence, Baba is asking to us, the name kingdom is correct, is it not? It is a kingdom that will unite everyone. It is a kingdom that will enable all souls to meet the Father. Bab Dada says to those who are from the UK, you are those who remain okay. UK means those who remain okay. If you were asked, you would say, I am okay. Wouldn't you? Not that you say, yes, that's true, I am okay, with a long sigh, whereas when you are fine, you say, yes, I am okay, very enthusiastically. There is a difference in the way you say okay. So, the kingdom of the confluence age, the kingdom of the service through which inspiration will spread everywhere for souls to become rulers. That is, the royal family has to be ready. So, the kingdom is the place where souls who claim a right to the kingdom are created. This is why Bap Dada specially remembers the speciality of every country and continue to make it move constantly forward with that specialty. Bap Dada does not look at the weaknesses but just gives a signal by continuously saying, you are a very good, you are a very good. You become good. If he was to say, you are weak, you would become weak. In that case, if you are already weak and someone else then tells that, you would become unconscious. No matter how unconscious someone is, if you give him the life-giving hub of an elevated awareness and awareness of their specialties, he would regain consciousness. All of you have the life-giving hub, do you not? So keep the mirror of specialties in front of that one because every Brahman soul is special. You are a handful out of multi-millions, are you not? Therefore, you are a special. Are you not? It is just that at that time, some forget their specialties. By being reminded for those, they will become special souls. The more you speak of their specialties, the more they will experience their weaknesses even more clearly. You won't need to remind them of them. If you tell them about their weaknesses, they will try to hide it. They will avoid it and say, I am not like that. Instead, tell them their specialties. Until they experience those weaknesses for themselves, they cannot bring about transformation. Even if kept working on them for 50 years. So, revive those who are unconscious with this life-giving hub and continue to fly and make others fly. This is what the UK does, is it not? Acha. How many people have gone from London to other places? They have gone from Bharat anyway. But how many have gone from London? How many have gone from Australia? Australians have also expanded and have gone to the places. The further the Ganges of knowledge flows, the better it is. How many centers are there in the UK, Australia, America and Europe? Everyone spoke about their own places. This means that expansion is the taking place. Is there any special place left out now? There are many. Baba is saying that. Acha, you must be making plans for those too. The foreign lands have such a lift that they can very easily open centers. You can do Lokik service and also become instrument for a Lokik service. In Bharat, there has been a specialty of opening centers by invitation. But abroad, you give yourself an invitation. You are the ones who give an invitation and you are also the ones who go there. What a wonderful talks Baba saying that. Therefore, this too is a lift you have received for the easy expansion of service. Wherever you go, 2 or 3 people there can become instruments for establishment and they will continue to become that. According to the drama, whether you call it a gift or a lift that you have received, you have to complete service in a short time, and do this can only be completed on time if there is a fast speed. There is a difference between the methods of Bharat and the methods of the land abroad. Therefore, expansion is taking place quickly abroad and will continue to do so. Many centers can be opened in just a day. The instruments living abroad have an easy chance to serve in all directions. Look at the people of Bharat. It is difficult for them even to get a visa. So, the people living abroad have the chance of becoming the instruments for serving the people there. Therefore, you have a chance for doing service, just as there is the chance of coming last and going fast. So too, you have received a chance for doing fast service. Therefore, there won't be the complaint that you came later. Those who have come later have a special chance of going fast. Therefore, each one of you is a server. Are all of you servers are only those who live at the centers servers. Wherever you are, you cannot rest without doing service. Service is the sleep of comfort. It is said, when you sleep in comfort, that's a life. Service is said to be the sleep of comfort. If there is no service, there is no sleep of comfort. You were told that service is not just with words. There is a service at every second. There is a service in every thought. No Brahmin can say whether they are residents of Bharat or the land of abroad, that they don't receive a chance to serve. No one can say that I am not getting any chance for doing services. Even if you are ill, you can do the service of creating an atmosphere and spreading vibrations with your mind, means Mansa Seva. Whatever type of service you do, you have to remain busy in service. Service is your life. To be a Brahmin means to be a server. Acha. To those who constantly stay in the flying stage and so have the stage of benefiting everyone. To those who always experience themselves to be angels, and to the specially loved deity, souls who are to be revealed to the world as the specially loved deities. To those who always consider themselves to be special souls and who give others our experience of their specialities. To those special souls, Bap Dada's love, remembrance and Namaste. Bap Dada meeting a group. Do you always experience yourself to be Karma Yogis? A Karma Yogi life means to stay constantly on the pilgrimage of remembrance while carrying out every task. What is the meaning of Karma Yogi? Baba is explaining that. Only the children of the elevated Father carry out this elevated task and are always successful. All of you are Karma Yogi souls, are you not? While doing everything, always remain detached and loving. Continue to move yourself forward with this practice, as well as being responsible for yourself. All of you also have a responsibility for the world. However, all of those are physical facilities. Continue to move forward with the Karma Yogi life and also continue to enable others to move forward. This is an extremely lovely life. There is a service and also happiness. You have a great deal of both at the same time. Do you not? It is the golden jubilee of everyone. Golden means to remain stable in the Sato Pradhan stage. Therefore, continue to make yourself move constantly forward with the elevated stage. All of you have done service well, have you not? It is only now that you receive this chance of serving. Later, this chance will end. So, constantly continue to move forward in service. Acha. Today's blessings. May you claim the degree of a destroyer of obstacles by the experiencing the Father's canopy of protections and become an embodiment of experience. Once again, may you claim the degree of a destroyer of obstacles by the experiencing the Father's canopy of protection and become an embodiment of experience. Description. Whether the Father is with you, no one can do anything to you. The experience of His company become a canopy of protection. Bab Dada always protect the children anyway. Test papers come to make you experienced, and so always think that that paper has came for you to move forward to the next class. It is with this that you will claim the degree of a destroyer of obstacles and the blessings of being an embodiment of experience for all time. If some now make a little noise or create an obstacles, they will gradually cool down. Slogan. Those who become cooperative at a time of need receive multi-million fold returns of one. Once again, those who become cooperative at a time of need receive multi-million fold return of one. Okay. Om Shanti. Let's remember our Shiv Baba for 2 minutes.